Welcome. If you want to stay updated with the latest events and activities in your favorite Roblox experiences, enabling Experience Events notifications is the way to go. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on these notifications using the Roblox app on your PC, following the latest update. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click on the More icon. This icon usually appears as 3 dots or lines and opens up additional options for your account. From the More menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Roblox preferences and account options. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you control what types of alerts and updates you want to receive from Roblox. Next, click on Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on PC, enabling this option ensures you'll get notifications across devices, including your mobile if you use the same account. Here, you'll see a list of different notification types you can toggle on or off. Look for the option labeled Experience Events. This is the setting that lets you receive notifications about special events, updates, and activities happening in the experiences you follow or play. Simply switch this toggle to On to start receiving these notifications. That's it. You've now enabled Experience Events notifications. From now on, whenever something important happens in your favorite Roblox experiences, you'll get a notification so you never miss out. If you ever want to manage or customize your notifications further, just revisit the Notifications section in your settings. You can always turn specific alerts on or off as your preferences change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with everything happening in Roblox.